Welcome to the 33rd lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. In this lesson, we will focus on how to calculate size reduction with multiple structures on a panel. Let's look at the usual method of gathering, which involves filling in density first. We can export it to observe the knitting actions. If the knitting actions are incorrect, we can use this method to address the issue. First, return to Knit Spec, then enter General Info. Adjust the density of ribs to match single jersey. Return to Knit Spec, and then adjust the dimensions based on the density. Let's export to SmartGraph to take a look. You can see now that the knitting actions are correct. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.